Are you looking for a lifestyle planning guide to further your goals in real estate? My name is Amy Jacobs and I'm with Berkshire Hathaway, and today I have our new lifestyle planning guides. Let me tell you, we've got about 70 pages of goal setting, earth shattering information in this binder. Let me just show you a little bit that we have. We have everything that comes with buying a home and how to buy a home. And being a forever agent with Berkshire Hathaway, I'm here to walk you every step of the way I can through your home purchase, and also getting started with your new lifestyle, in your new home, in your new neighborhood. And I want to share with you how important it is to get a hold of this 50-page lifestyle guide. And again, I am going to help you find the best home and walk you through the home purchasing process and or listing process. So if you want to know everything there is to know about lifestyle planning, Berkshire Hathaway now has our lifestyle planning guide that I am here to share with you. Amy Jacobs with Berkshire Hathaway. Reach out to me today at 214-529-2641, and I will see you soon. Have a great day. Peace.